Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. And it seems like Solana was losing the yesterday's support level. It seems like now the question is right now, is Solana gonna manage to rally back up here? In my opinion, yes. And the reason why I think Solana is gonna actually start to go back up from here is actually because Bitcoin itself is looking to go to the upside. So I'm really expecting Solana as well to go to the upside. Let's say this. All right, I'm gonna bring the support down to this level so that we can actually touch this level here and also make a connection with this level right here. All right, so if we start to lose below this line, which is going to be $78, and you actually, let's say if you take out $75, if you take out this wick right here, then you're looking for 69 and 62. But the thing is that there's one more thing. This head and shoulder technical target still is down here to the $69. Okay, so that one is still in play. I'm just going to bring this to your attention that Solana is still in looking for $69, because nonetheless you went up to the neckline and you never crossed the neckline. You made a fake out and then you went to the downside, and then boom, it's ever since then you just keep on going with the downtrend. But there's a big thing that I still want to point out. It's always up to Bitcoin as well. So when you have to watch what Bitcoin does, and I do have this update. Always I update about Bitcoin. So today's Bitcoin update is that it made a spinning top on the daily, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to start going back to the $43,000 or $44,000. Now during this time, it doesn't make sense for Solana to go to the downside, so it might just mirror Bitcoin, because it's always going to mirror Bitcoin. Okay, and from there you start to move to the upside as well, actually go to 97. But I'm starting to realize one more thing about Solana. Okay, I'm going to tell you this. You could potentially, if Bitcoin does go up, start to make a W formation, boom boom boom, and then from here we start to actually rally to the upside like this and go to $102, then potentially that's your double bottom. And you make a double bottom structure, and when you break from this double bottom, from the top to the bottom right there, you go all the way up to $122.93. Do you see that? So it's a potential play. It's not like that. Of course, the charts keep twisting all the time, so you could just see this thing twisting to the down again. So it's just a small research or small prediction that I'm doing. Not necessarily it's gonna happen, but if it happens that you go up like this, then you're actually looking to make a W and go all the way to these targets up there. Okay, so that would be amazing, and that's what you want to see. It's been a long time Solana has been going down at all, but I'm still gonna let you know that the head and shoulder has not been validated, and you still have the threat to go down to the $69.45. Okay, and that's it for this update. If you guys are interested still in taking the trading course that I've released recently, guys, watch. The link is in the description of this video, and I do have a video explaining every single thing that you're going to learn. There's a lot of things for you guys to actually look at. Just look at all these contents that you have, all these contents, and that's not all. There's a lot of things to come. So it's a one-time payment, very low price I've set. So you're going to enjoy this one. Best of luck, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.